In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check DuckDuckGo History. By the end, you'll know exactly where to view your recent searches and sites visited inside the DuckDuckGo browser. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. On your device, locate the DuckDuckGo icon and launch it so you're on the main browser screen. Next, click the menu, the three dots. Look toward the top corner of the browser window and click the three-dot icon to open the menu. From here, select Settings. In the menu that opens, click or tap Settings to move into the browser's configuration area. Now, tap Privacy. Inside Settings, find the Privacy option and tap it. This is where DuckDuckGo groups controls and information related to your browsing privacy, including your browsing history. Once that's done, click View Browsing History. On the Privacy page, locate the View Browsing History option and click it to open your local history. At this point, scroll to see your search and site history. A list of entries will appear showing your recent DuckDuckGo searches and the websites you visited. Use your mouse wheel or swipe gesture to scroll through the list and review what's there. If the list looks short or empty, that simply means there's no history stored at the moment, which can happen if history was recently cleared or if there hasn't been any recent activity. That's it. You've successfully navigated to and checked your DuckDuckGo browsing history, and you can now review it whenever you need. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.